everybody, welcome. Today, in this video, we are going to demonstrate the Vision Service, how Vision Service work. So we are going to use playground of Vision Service and will upload different images for the analysis. Before we get into this, I would request everybody to like, comment, and share that video. So what we are going to do is we are going to demonstrate different features of Vision Service like image classification, object detection, face detection, and text detection. So let's use those features and play with those features. So with that, I will take you to the OCI console. From here, I will go to Analytics and AI Services and click on our Vision. When you click on our Vision service, it will show you all the features that Vision offers. So click on an image classification. So by default, there will be one image that will be classified. And here you can see the image is analyzed and it will show the result. See overhead power line. Here is the power line. Transmission tower, we have a tower. We have an electric supply. We have a plants. We have tree here. So that is the image that is analyzed. So it will give you all the things and you can get here the data, the response in the JSON format, and you can pass those response in your maybe some coding language. You can also upload your own image to analyze here. Let me upload one image also similar to that. And then it will again show the result here. See, we have a train here. We have a trees here. We have some, this is the vehicle. This is land vehicle, which runs on the land. And then we have some plants also. So that is what you can see the multiple things in a one image and all the result will come here. Whatever you have in that image, that will come here, which is called image classification. The second feature is object detection, meaning if you have an image where you have multiple objects, maybe cars, maybe fox, maybe, fruits, then it will detect all the objects from the image. So here you can see it detects all the car. There's a bus also. There's a car, another car. And when you click on the result, it will create a bounding box around it. There may be a person here. You can see another car. You can see person here. So it will detect all the objects from a particular image. Let me upload one more. Open. So here it will detect all the objects from this image. It is analyzing the image and it will show you here. You can see footwear. Here is a footwear. Another footwear. You can see it creates a bounding box around it. Car. Here is the car. And then, of course, person. And you can see this result in the JSON also. You can expand it. We see footwear. And then another footwear. And then car. And then person. Right? Let me do the face detection. So this face detection identify human faces and their landmark location with an image along with the confidence score. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It shows phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Meaning we have total 5 faces here. So let me upload one. So we have total 4 here in this image. So it will show phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. Now go to the text detection, which will detect the text from the image. So if you have given a signboard, it will detect all the text from that signboard, like 215. You see, interstate here on the top, it's for the south. It is for the belt route. So I will upload one of my images here and like a car, which will have the number plate and then car, right? You can see Range Rover. You can see the number. You can see it is made in January. It is of California. It made in 2019 and something else also. So this is how you can use Vision Service for your image classification. It can detect the objects from the provided image. It can detect all the faces and it can detect the text from the image. So Vision Service is specifically used for the image analysis. And I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.